Facebook expects to raise $12 billion with its IPO. The world's largest social network will dwarf other tech IPOs like Google's and give it a market value close to that of Amazon.com. A lackluster first day of trading for Carlyle Group after raising an unimpressive $671 million in its IPO. Jonathan Marino, editor of PE Hub, says Carlyle is likely to underperform like its rivals KKR and Blackstone, so he suggests holding off on buying shares.
We really don't know whether we're going to see any kind of increase to the capital, or rather to the carried interest tax rate. On top of that, I'd say private equity firms also face specific risks in the lending market impacting their ability to draw revenue, which will really spook investors.
Sales were way off the mark for Green Mountain Coffee. The maker of Keurig coffee brewers and K-Cup singles badly missed sales estimates and slashed its full-year forecast. Shares plummeted 48%. Mixed signals from the U.S. economy a day ahead of the monthly jobs report. Growth in the huge services sector pulled back in April, suggesting the economy may be cooling. And while the number of Americans filing for unemployment benefits tumbled last week, the big picture on the labor market comes Friday with the April jobs report. Last month turned weak for U.S. retailers. An early Easter shifted sales to March, and cooler weather put a chill on sales of spring items. Same-store sales rose 0.8% in April compared to 4.3% in March. U.S. stocks fell for a second day on concerns over U.S. economic data and flare-ups in the Eurozone's debt crisis. Crude fell 2.5% in New York after OPEC said it would produce more oil to weaken prices. The same economic concerns weighed on European stocks. They erased gains to end broadly flat.